Hey team, welcome to part 2 of this lovely beach street front scene. It's outstanding to have you with us again. If you're new, then welcome, and feel free to please check out my other videos and subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. Let's jump right in and put a little sizzle on this Puerto Rican street scene today on Studio-214. Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
Well, what can I say? I like symmetry. So when one side of the canvas is developing and the other side isn't, it puts me in a weird place, man. Like when somebody walks in on special time. Ray, damn it! Why does it smell like sex and shame in here? Chris, man, I'm sorry. It was a dark time in your room, on your computer, in your chair. Very, very awkward. I'm sorry, Chris, baby. If it helps, I was as shocked as you. In fact, you kind of interrupted things, you incourteous bastard. No. I'm the goose. That's on me. Let's go to the other side. Put in a balcony or porch or an herb garden overhang thingy. I can tell you this though, it's concrete. And so is the balcony porch garden thingy on top of it. Yeah, right there. Y'all can now see what my struggle is with this painting. And you can see the street lines vanish at one point, and now my balcony thingy's lines vanish at a different point, which is okay. It gives a certain look. Hopefully it's the one I'm going for. Happy accidents aren't just for people with inflamed prostates. They're for painters too, like me. And back to the other side. It's kind of like painter's ping pong, back and forth. I'm the type that likes to shoot from the hip, and then gets mad when things don't work out the way they should. I mean, I shot from the hip. What else do you need? In school, I used to get trophies just for trying, so trying should work, right? I was voted most likely to wear a shirt at the pool. That's a special honor. Actually, now that I think about it, I think the Mean Girls were in charge of the yearbook. They were calling me fat. Shit. The whole life is a lie. At least I got this painting. Oh, planters. I guess it's going to be an herb garden, everybody. That's nice. Sweet. We made a decision. Nice. See, these things kind of have a way of working themselves out. It's awesome being in the bubble, because I'm so pretty. Except, not according to the popular kids from high school, who thought I was a tubby bastard. Screw you, Karen. You aren't quirky and honest. You're just a bitch. So, there are a lot of windows. They aren't there in the picture. Honestly, I'm trying to find new and interesting ways to paint the same thing, but differently. I mean, there's going to be a ton of windows, because if you lived in an alley by the beach, wouldn't you have windows facing the alley? Shut up. Seriously, the rest of this episode is me reinforcing things and giving extra depth to the doors and windows. As my art professor said, this painting will be successful or a boondoggle, my words, all on the strength of the details I put in it. This is different than how I usually operate. I'm not too concerned with details usually. I want awesome, crisp highlights and deep, dark shadow in very dramatic settings. I like to experiment with light and shadow because I think it's easier to paint than detail-oriented work. I mean, if you want a perfect representation, take a photo, I always say. Woo! That's all for today. Too much good stuff. That's my problem. Thank you so much for joining me. Come on back here real soon, because we're going to finish up this painting. I'm having fun. I hope you are too. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio 214, I'm Greg. See you next time.